I guess in this video I'm going to discuss about try to program for product of digits of a given number. Suppose if I enter the number 456, then the output come 120. 4 into 5, the value come 20. 20 into 6, the value come 120. So this is the code that I already written to save some times. So at here I have taken 3 integer type variable n mul initialized with 1 and k. Hereafter console clause dot write the enter the number, so this will display into the output screen. So this code at here I already written at this point. So here I'm going to explain this code. So if you debug the code, control comes to main method. Here after that go inside. So at here the first variable I have taken n. Next is mul, and mul value initialized to 1. Hereafter next value k. Now hereafter control comes to this point, console.write. So this are displayed to the output screen, and whatever I'm going to enter, so that received by n. So at here I'm going to enter n value 450. So at here while n not equal to 0, 452 not equal to 0. So this condition at here, this is true. So if this condition is true, then that go inside. So at here k equal to n mod 10. So at here 10 and 4 5 2. So it divides by 45 times, and here the value is 450. So if you subtract this, the value comes 2. So at here mod operator that return remainder. So remainder at here the value is 2. So k value is now 2. And here after n equal to n by 10. So division operator that return quotient. So at here 45 is the quotient value. So at here n value is now 45. And here after mul equal to mul into k. So 1 into 2, the new value of mul 2. And here after loop continue. So add here the new value of n is 45. So 45 not equal to 0, condition is true, that coincide. So again add here 10 and 45. So it divides by 4 times, and here 40 and subtraction, the value come 5. So remainder add here it come 5. So k value is now 5 this time. And here n equal to n by 10. So 45 by 10. So quotient add here it return 4. So n value is now 4 add here. Now hereafter mul equal to mul into k. So 2 into 5, the value come 10. So mul value is now 10 add here. Hereafter that go up, check the condition n not equal to 0, 4 not equal to 0. This condition is true. So that coincides. So add here 4 mod 4 mod 10. The value come add here 4. So k value is now 4. And hereafter n equal to n by 10. So 4 by 10, the value comes 0. So 4 by 10, the value comes 0. So n value is now 0 add here. Hereafter mul equal to mul into k. So 10 into 4, the value comes, mul value is now 40. Now hereafter that curve, check the condition n not equal to 0. So 0 not equal to 0. This condition is now this time false. So if this condition is false, so here that not coincide, control comes to this point. So add a product of digit equal to and the value of mul. So mul value is now 40, that display. So add here the output display product of digits equal to 40. Now hereafter control comes to this point. So add a console dot readline. So this take input from keyword and terminate the output screen. So this is the first method to get product of digits of the number. So I hope guys you understand all the steps here. Now the next way we can find the product of digits by using method. So at here first I'm going to uncomment. So this time I used at here method. Now here after let's execute this code. So add enter the number, going to enter 5 6 3. So 5 into 6 30, 30 into 3 the value of 90. So add here the product of all digits 5 6 3 is 90. Now here after let's check one more time. So this time going to enter 6 4 and here after 3. So 6 into 4 the value comes 24, 24 into 3 the value comes 72. So after getting the right output, so this code that I already pasted here. So let's double click and here this is the code. So this is the code add here. Now let's understand this code. So if you debug the code, control comes to main method. Here after that go inside. So add here I have taken integer variable n and here going to add here control comes to this point. Enter the number. This will display into the output screen and whatever I'm going to enter, so that is by n. So add here n value I'm going to enter 4, 5 and 6. Now hereafter n value go to n1. So n1 there is a one more variable n1. So n value go to n1. So add your new value of n1 is now 4, 5, 6. Now here after mul. So add your n1 value is now 4, 5, 6. Add here this time the value is 4, 5, 6. Now there is a one mul function. So from here when the control comes this part, then that starts searching mul function. So if there is no any mul function, then that give red signal or give error message. So at here that starts the mul function. So at here that comes to this point, and here there is a one mul function that has one parameter n1. So n1 value is now 4, 5, 6. So at here k is now that is a 4, 5 and 6. Now here after that go inside. So at here I have taken integer len function. So k to a string. So first that convert 4, 5, 6 into a string. Here after that count total numbers of length. So at here there are 3. So len is now that become 3. Now here after control comes to this point. So if 3 len double equal to 1, 3 double equal to 1 condition is not true. So that comes to this point. So at here k mod 10. So for 56 mod 10. So remainder come at here 6 into and here mul equal to mul in k by 10. So at here mul and k by 10. So it divide by 45 times. So at here this value is now 45. So at here this is the recursive function. If function inside function, so this called recursive function. So here after that control again go to this point. So at here this time k value is now 45. So here after control comes to this point. So there is two two values are there, two. So this is now this time len become 2. So add here if 2 double equal to 1 condition is not true. So add here that return comes to this point. So previously the value is 6 and here. So this time that to receive add here 45. So 45 mod 10. The remainder come 45. There is that this time that receive 45. So 45 add here this value is now 45. So 45 mod 10. So remainder add here that come 5. Now here after there is one mul function mul. So k mod 10 45 by 10. The value it divide by 4 times. So it divide by 4 times here. Now here after again this has some values. So again that go up. So this time add here this value is now 4. So this time this value is now 4. So here that go inside. So this time the length equal to add here 1. So only one number 4 is there. So length become 4. This time the length become 4. So add here this time the length is now add here 1. 1 equal to 1. So this time this go inside. So this return the k value. So add here k value is now 1. That return the k value. K value is now add here 4. So that return. So this time this is now add here this time by when the mul for this operation that return or the k value is 4. Okay, now hereafter that control comes to this point, so add here return, so mul add here or mul 4, the value come add here this position 4, so add here 6 into 5 into 4, the value come or 6 into 5, the value 30, 30 into 4, the value come 120. So this is now 120. So add here the mul function work has been over, so this is now that return 120. Now control back to this point, add here, so this value is now 120, so n1 become 120, so n1 become add here 120. Hereafter control comes to this point, console.type the product of all digits, so this is the placeholder for n1, so this is the placeholder for n, and this is the placeholder for n1, so that this means the product of all digits equal to, or the product of all digits of a number 456 is add here 120, and hereafter that out from main method. So this is the steps of execution of this program. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.